On the first Tuesday of every month, Epic Games releases free assets for all its users on the Unreal Engine marketplace. In this video, we are going to cover all of the free assets that they've released this month. First up, we have the Endless Random Procedural Worlds. This asset allows you to create an endless world by dynamically streaming levels as the player moves. Similar to how Minecraft's chunk system works, it's perfect for endless open worlds or endless interior maps like roguelike dungeons or the backrooms. And you can easily set up your own custom tiles, and it has loads of other customizable settings. Next up, we have the Isometric World Sky Temple. This asset comes with a demo level that you can explore and transform. It contains static meshes, Niagara systems, decals, and blueprints. It is mainly suitable for isometric top-down views, but it can also be used with third-person or first-person projects. Thirdly, we have the Underwater World. The author of this project says it's well suited for AAA projects and projects with a focus on optimization and performance. All of the included props in this asset use a custom material that allows for them to be adjusted. This allows for variations and combinations, and it comes with 70 unique meshes. Penultimately, we have the Mediterranean Rustic Interior. This asset contains a set of 47 high-quality meshes and 35 materials ready to use in your projects. Finally, we have the Big Star Station. This is a space station with various sections, including a large number of rooms which are connected with detailed corridors and assembled by modular pieces, and a huge hangar that can be used as a train station or a spaceship docking area. Because of the author's attention to detail when creating the props for this asset, they made most of these assets in SolidWorks, which is used in other industries for designing engineering parts and products. Because of this, it's suitable for most projects that need great quality and fidelity, be it a CG movie, a game, or just a render. That's all for this video. Let me know which assets you're going to be claiming. Like I say, I always just normally claim all of them. If you enjoyed, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!